It's Lydia Foy. I'm here near the Four Courts in Dublin, in Ireland, and I've been battling to get basic rights before the law for very many years. What happened to me basically was I was born with a syndrome which originally used to be called transsexual syndrome.
For 16 and a half years, we've been used as political scapegoats for people in there at the highest. The police told us from the start that they knew we hadn't done it. They told us they didn't care who done it. They told us they acted and that they were going to frame us just to keep people in there happy. That's what it's all about.
Peaceful protest! Peaceful protest! Peaceful protest! Peaceful.
Police in the Republic of Ireland are investigating a popular British comedian for blasphemy. While appearing on Irish TV in 2015, Stephen Fry asked, quote, "Why should I respect a capricious, mean-minded, stupid God who creates a world which is so full of injustice and pain," end quote.
The High Court ruled in mid-February that a 14-year-old Dublin girl who claimed she'd been raped couldn't go to England for an abortion. The girl had become pregnant after having sex with a 44-year-old South Dublin businessman, the father of a school friend.
The parents of the girl at the centre of the X case had approached the Gardaí with queries about DNA testing in the event of possible future court proceedings. From there, the matter had made its way onto the desk of the Attorney General, who said the family's actions in seeking an abortion in the UK contravened the Constitution.
But the Supreme Court overturned that decision 2 weeks later, ruling that the 14-year-old who threatened suicide could travel for an abortion because it deemed suicide to be a real and substantive risk to the life of the mother.
Holding her partner Tom Curran's hand, Mary Fleming fought back tears as it became clear she'd lost her case to end her life at a time of her choosing. The three-judge court described the mother of two as the most remarkable witness and said her courage in adversity is humbling and inspiring, before explaining why they would not overturn the ban on assisted suicide. The court says it cannot agree that the current legislation from 1993 amounts to a disproportionate interference with Mary Fleming's constitutional right to personal autonomy in medical matters. President Nicholas Curran said if the court could tailor-make a solution for her needs alone, it would, but it must have regard to the ample evidence suggesting a relaxation of the ban would be inimical to the public interest in protecting the most vulnerable members of society who may avail of this option to avoid being a burden to others. She's also lost her bid to have the DPP give guidelines on when it would prosecute in such cases. Mary Fleming is expected to appeal the ruling to the Supreme Court.